Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the SharedArrayBuffer. So it has a slice method and we're gonna explore it about now. So now what we need to do is create a const called buffer and create with it the SharedBuffer and put inside 16 bits. Now what we're gonna do is const int 32, create a const call int32 view, and inside that new int 32 array and paste buffer. I mean, put the buffer here inside that. And now what we're gonna do is if you know that it's gonna put inside the full elements as 0, which is this. So now what I'm gonna do is in the here in the int 32 I'm gonna put 42. For that, what we need to do is int 32 view and add the first positions equals to 42, const sliced equals new int 32 array. And now we will use the buffer dot slice and first element as a 4 and second as a 12. And if you log it on a console, the sliced, this one, it's gonna give you 42 comma 0 because we take it as a 4 to 12, which is here it's 4, so it can divide it up and give you that. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.